Hey guys, Cord here. I absolutely love linens. I love a perfectly made bed. It's one of my guilty pleasures in life. And so today, all of my tips are gonna be how you can achieve just that. Upsize the Duvet Insert to accomplish a really full look with the duvet. So if you have a queen size duvet, put a king size insert. If you have a king size duvet, you may actually decide to double up on the king size duvet inserts. Why not put two of them in there? You could probably find a less expensive option and get a really full look. A quilt is really the missing piece to a lot of the bed puzzles because layering is the main key, and to accomplish a really layered look like a magazine, you need to have different textures. And so the quilt not only adds that texture, it can also add print. This would be the place to put in a little bit of color, and it adds weight to the bed. And with all of this fuss about weighted blankets, a quilt can kind of do that for you without the weighted blanket. Ooh, and one more thing. The biggest mistake when making a bed is to pull all of the sheets, the quilt, and the duvet all the way up to the top of the bed. There is no need for that. Let the bed breathe. Pull the duvet and flip it over a couple of times to the end to create fluff. Bring the quilt all the way to the top and fold it back. Fold the top sheet over that quilt so we now see white sheets, quilt, and duvet. Then you can layer your pillows. I hope you love these tips, guys. Your bed should be a place of sanctuary. It should be a place that you are excited to go. Please declutter, layer, and fluff.